Oliver Inc. is the nation's largest independently held folding carton manufacturer. Our vision is to be the premier source for branded packaging and materials.
So Oliver's actually had a Packsize solution installed and running up in the Northeast area. So he wanted to explore Packsize for the Virginia facility. So that's what started the conversation. We had a couple quick conversations about what is the current operation and some data that we analyzed to see, are we a good fit? What would the future state look like? And what are the impacts that Packsize and our right sizing and our on-demand solution is going to impact? Today is the day that we're actually installing the dual EM7 with gluer solution.
Currently we manage our stock boxes. It's a just-in-time, which sometimes ends up being just too late. A lot of our time and effort is in coordinating the delivery, storage, and then reallocation of the corrugated.
So the main drivers for the Packsize solution here at the Virginia facility are, number one, we want to give back some of the warehouse space. Today, there's a lot of space and a lot of pallet positions, a lot of racking taken up with just current stock box sizes. So with the Packsize solution, we're going to give that space back to operations. Another one of the big drivers for the project today is that today, Oliver has to order minimum order quantities, or they have to order just-in-time stock boxes for the orders that are coming through. With Packsize, they have the ability to produce those on-demand cartons at the quantity they want. Another big part of the business plan for this facility, and one of the main drivers, was cost savings. We are able to save them on their corrugated savings, just making the same boxes that they're using today.
The results that we expect to yield as a result of bringing Packsize on is improved on-time delivery, a lot less waste, and less clutter in the production floor. It's not a guess, I know that this is a good fit for this location just from previous experience.
After the deployment of the Packsize solution and implementing it into the operation here at Oliver, they've been able to achieve making the right size on-demand boxes in batch format.
Oliver's transition from their previous packaging to Packsize, I think, has been dramatic, from the racking system to being able to optimize on demand.
I'm extremely satisfied with the results so far from Packsize. It's just made my life a lot easier. Once we have everything just moving and we've gotten the flow of things now, I mean, it's a night and day improvement.
Some of the results that Oliver's achieved installing Packsize has been increasing their throughput and their process flow, so they've seen a real dramatic increase in being able to free up some labor, reallocate to other areas in their warehouse, and having an overall process improvement.
It's been pretty impactful for the team, and it's also freed up some of our time hunting for the corrugated that we're trying to find, because we produce a lot of different cartons and have a demand for a lot of different corrugated boxes.
In the past, we had problems with inventory of our cases and boxes. Keeping up with so many orders coming in, I mean, we probably have over 400 SKUs that we use. So keeping inventory of that and having the warehouse space to keep up with that was a major problem.
We reduced that down to just the use of 5 different bales using the Packsize equipment to produce all those 400 SKUs.
It's definitely taken the stress of supply chain management down a little bit, so I'm not having to worry about corrugated as much as I used to. Operations isn't complaining anymore about not having the cases when they want the cases. They're now able to make the cases when they decide that they're gonna run the product on the line.
I would highly recommend Packsize to anybody in this industry. It's probably one of the most perfect fits within this industry.